Okay, so as you can see, that plane here I've just now seen, apparently today. This was private PA-28-180 Cherokee. That was. So as you can see, this is one of the Perranporth Flying Club ones I've just saw today, apparently. This is one of the Perranporth Flying Club ones I've just saw today, apparently. And as you can see, the registration is G-CDEO, that is. As you can see, that's the registration here for that one, it's G-CDEO. Apparently so. Let's have a bit to take off from. Just you can see, it's roughly just took off. You can see, it's literally just took off at his base at Perranporth Airfield at 10 o'clock. It's literally took off from his base at Perranporth Airfield at 10 o'clock today. So this is one of the Perranporth Flying Club ones that you normally see. There it is, look. I've also missed out the two Navy Merlins earlier on, apparently. The two Royal Navy Augusta Western Merlins earlier on. Which, unfortunately, as I've just seen it from the window, I've just missed out two Navy Merlins earlier on, which this one here was a ZH-836, and the other one was currently an unknown one, I think. So yeah, I think the other one was currently an unknown number plate though. Which I think the other one might have been the ZH something, I don't know. But it looks like this one is probably heading off somewhere today though. That's where the two Merlins are heading off today, apparently, as they were flying over somewhere from a distance away from me, as I could have been able to see it though. So that's where both of them just took off from Calders at the same time. It's a shame that I could have missed out two Navy Merlins, the two Royal Navy Merlins, but shame I could have missed out on it earlier on, but shame that. But anyway, that's just this plane here I've just seen, which that was Piper PA-28-180 that was. So that's just took off from Perranporth Airfield, as this is one of the Perranporth Flying Club ones we normally see. Okay, so, yep, thanks for watching, bye-bye.